lovely to be over here.
Aww.
Lovely.
So Cleo Lynn J, wanna know Bossy, Big Bad Director, Razor Blade TV. Babe, I'm so proud of you, you know. As him not know if you take a compliment, you know.
I'm Aquarian, it's natural.
Okay, you say thank you, yeah?
Yes, babe. Thank you.
Lynn J's
A wifey that
wifey. Yeah.
You
You have a YouTube channel? What your YouTube channel name?
Just
Wait, name?
Natural Queen Diamond.
Okay, so guys, I'm gonna put the link. And of course, Stash. Matthew, you sure? Me love you, Missy. Tell them about your TikTok.
What am I TikTok?
Lord God, why your TikTok?
I don't know. What am I say?
Why your name
Just
on
like my
TikTok?
Instagram?
Yeah.
MIZ_extra_Lisa.
Okay. And me. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. Guys, don't forget to like up the videos, comment more than one time, and turn on that post notification bell. It's important, guys, so you can be notified every time I post a new video. So right now I'm at work with Jason. Sometimes I hold the mic, but him upgrade, so him not need me for holding mic anymore. Babe, that was a thing. Me never know you could do that.
Yeah, hold my mic.
Yeah, me hold the mic.
Oi, oi.
So him find a way how to put it on a stand, so I go just sit down, and if him want me to pass anything, me will pass it. And I don't know how it go. I have to help out my baby, you know. I want him to make it out there, you know. Cause him a do him thing like he's good at what he's doing, and we just go and push him and motivate him. Cause I know enough room there for improvement, but him really a do him thing.
Good. Go back to Edna auntie. Yeah, yo, I love that.
That was very good acting.
You come up with one alternate and come up. Want it. Want like you go in the bathroom and you did it for yourself.
She want to do a TikTok.
But you can't. No, one selfie go. You can't video me.
So now you gonna tell me TikTok or we're
We are not hanging. If France.
Florida. Frog.
Yeah.
Body part.
Face.
Alright. Brand. Forever 21. Famous person.
Phoenix. Felix. The woman.
No.
You don't know Felix. Fendi. Brand Fendi.
Alright, clothes. For jacket. Chemical element. Fluoride. Sports.
Yeah.
Football.
Come on, do things. What the next photo? Just walk. Oh, too much.
That wasn't it.
6 hours later.
Babe, see him there. Oh, Jesus.
One eternity later.
Tired of lizards in your home? Any of your family members are scared of lizards or face lizard phobia? In this video, we'll share some of the simplest and easiest hacks done by regular black pepper from your spice cabinet. Mix some crushed pepper into a water solution and apply it around the house with a spray bottle. The bath
The fuck is that? What is one move there, sir?
When they say, if you play that song, listen, we run.
Yeah.
Alright, so I know you guys wondering what is this. But I'm about to make some turn cornmeal, just a little bit because Jason eats turn cornmeal. So I went ahead and I seasoned my coconut milk. So I put some pepper flakes, some diced onion, sweet pepper, and I have some complete season and some scotch bonnet as well because I want it to be spicy. And me alone I gonna eat it, so I'm just season it like how I want it. So I make this one boil down before I add in the cornmeal. Yeah, I know not everybody eat turn cornmeal, but I really love it. So yeah, I make this one boil down so I can eat it for my breakfast. I've been very busy, so what I'm planning to do with this vlog is to just what the word may look for, put together, compile, but me go compile all of the clips them. Babe, which side they're going, left or right?
So like a police right now.
Because me record, and if you go to the left, me go see you.
I'm gonna go to the right.
Okay, great. Or if you can pass me, we edit you out. Anyways, I'm gonna compile. May I see you? If you pass down, I'm gonna edit it out.
No, we're not about.
Yeah, so I'm gonna compile all the clips that I have together and give you guys a little vloggy vlog. One time, like, Muda just not pick up my camera none at all, but I just want to, like, if I even want 2 minutes, I can record for me, just want to have the clips, so when me edit on, you can see what I did up to on a particular day. Never get a chance for showing how it look, but it came out so good. So right now, me have some for lunch because I'm alone at eating, and it tastes really nice. And it's just moist and yeah, it's really good. I wash it down with some cucumber juice. It not having no sugar, but it's still nice. But you guys have been asking me where I purchased my jeans. So for the shirt them, I love t-shirt. I don't know if you realize, I love t-shirt. I really want to up back my t-shirt game because I really love t-shirt. If you see me in one black t-shirt today and you see me in one tomorrow, trust me, under the same t-shirt, I just have a lot of t-shirts. Some of them are the same thing. So I not have this one specific place where I say, okay, I buy t-shirt from the place there. Like once I go there, them have my size and I like it, I go buy it. I go do one haul with my jeans. I'm not gonna try them on, I go just run through them and show them because we're going on the road. We still have to leave out to. You ready, babe? One specific place that I always go back to, and it's Rainbow. I really, really, really love Rainbow jeans. I'm gonna need to check them out. So I knew about Rainbow, but one day, my friend did up on the phone. She get ready for go to work. I'm still she put on her jeans, and I said, "Whoa, the jeans that look good for you. Like it hug her. Everything just look nice and it just look good." And she told me that she get it from Rainbow. I said, whoa, I never know that Rainbow have jeans. So I went there, checked them out, and she said she can get one of the jeans like what she did have on. When I tell her it look good, she said she can get one for me. I said, okay, no problem, but I still gotta go over there go check them out. So she bought 2 for me. Somebody just wait until them 2 they come before I buy back from them because I did really want to see how it fit and all of that. So I use them 2 that she buy me as a guide. When I get them 2 there from her, I go back and I go buy 3 more because them did fit me really, really, really good. From ever since I buy my jeans them from Rainbow. Let me show you some jeans that I got from Rainbow recently, so you can check them out and them fit really good. My plus size girls, check them out. So I have this one. boxer shorts. Really nice, and it's stretch. This one as well. I have this one as well. The one you need for taking, but my soon sort them out. Once you not go buy jeans online, just read through the reviews and stuff like that. Also get a tape measure so you can measure yourself and know what is what. And the foot fold, I have this one too. They're really nice. My friend carried on some other stuff from them for me, but I really love them for them jeans. This is really cute. My other one top to wear with this. I showed this already. Just want to go white shorts. That one here did look different when it did up on the mannequin, but this too. I don't love it now. The material nice and stuff, but I don't know. And also, if you have somebody overseas, ask them to carry down the things them for you, because custom. No, not gonna work out. Unless it's under 50 USD, then it will work. But if anything over $50, not gonna work. And them have cute pajamas and stuff like that. So you can just go over there go check them out. But as I said, I love them for them jeans. So we're gonna head out now. We are back home, and right now Jason and fry some plantain for dinner because it's pretty late, so we're gonna just to go light. So fry plantain and then we relax and watch one movie. Guys, my face I break out. I need to pull up my ear cause it. But yeah, this is me. Some days I look pretty, some days I look rough, and it's just what it is. I'm not gonna only come and pick up the camera when I look pretty. Plus I'm on a personal journey, and baby plantain. Are you afraid of plantain, you know?
Babe, I'm turn it down. I want to go see fire blaze like catch I bun trash.
Because I want this something. Watch out. They really, guys, hold on, we're planting our brain up. The planting ready. But as I did say, today one of them days when I look really rough. Just to keep it real, you know. I'm on a personal journey with my weight. I've been eating much better certain stuff. We really just try to cut out. I keep up with my green juice at morning time, which is the cucumber juice, and I bought my apple cider vinegar to put in my water to drink. So it's just a whole lot. I'm really trying, and yeah, Jason and I will have a different goal. So I'm not gonna expect Jason to cut out certain stuff where me cut out. So it's really challenging, but we're trying. So when I go to the supermarket or I go to the market, well, when I go market, we partake of everything, but when I go to the supermarket, there are some stuff that I take up specifically for myself, and then I take up Jason's stuff them because I don't want to be selfish on my journey. I don't live alone, so I want to ensure that Jason have his stuff where he would normally eat and him love, and me, where I try to change up my diet and stuff like that. I take up them stuff there. But the things that we know that is definitely unhealthy, we try to cut them out. It not go just happen, bam, but we're doing a good job. So yeah, we're trying. That is what I'm up to, and I'm just keeping it real with you guys. So this is me, and with all of my flaws and everything, and I'm gonna just go up on a journey, and you guys gonna just watch me transform. Thank you so much for the support. I really love and appreciate you guys. Thank you for always supporting me. Thank you for always supporting Jason, and I just really love and appreciate you guys. Bye.